So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. Web design series 6th video on the break tag, horizontal tags and comment tags. So what is break tag, sir? I want a line and afterwards I want another line in the next line. In that case, I can have a break tag, a BR tag. We don't want to have any opening or closing tag, just give BR tag. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. So over here you are able to see the break tag here. So this is your break tag, BR. So over here you are able to see it can be placed in the body tag between the content. So I got the paragraph tag, welcome to WikiTechie, you got the break tag here. And you got the output here in the next line. In the next line you got the break output. So this is how the break tag works. Okay, and you don't want, it doesn't have any a closing tags and all. Just give a plain BR tag. Sir, I want to give a line, sir. It can be achieved with a horizontal ruler HR. So the same like a BR tag, you don't want any /HR and all. Okay, so it is there, the /HR can be given, but no need, it's not mandatory. So this is your horizontal tag HR, and you can have a line over there, and you don't want the line can be given. So you can plainly give your HR tag like this, HR tag like this. To HR, obviously 2 lines will be coming. So this is how your HR tag is. And if you talk about the comments, the third area is comments. I'm going to talk HTML comments. Today, I have written a code in HTML. I have designed something. And after 5 years, if someone see my code, they won't understand. In that case, I will give some hints to them, key points to them. That is called as commenting. And these comments can be placed in a special tag so that the compiler won't understand, or it is kind of a dead code. Okay, it is not considered designing your web page, just a plain text. That is called as comments, and this can be achieved with the comments tag or HTML comments. HTML comments in the sense over here you are able to see a lesser than symbol, a not symbol, a hyphen, and hyphen, a greater symbol. Between that you just give anything you want, it is just a dead code. You can see the difference in colors. This is an active code and this is not an active code. That is how your HTML comments are.